Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. We provide GS, decals, and in what we believe is in a map. We design a map that shows in scale the size of the countries, like as well points very important where for us bikers we would like to go, as for instance starting in the east side of the world at this present moment in the pictures that you are looking at, follow to China, Mongolia and Siberia in Russia. Points of importance for riders to go to. Then later we will see north of Europe at the peak with the emblematic North Cap. For later here on the left side of the bike, as you are driving, you will have Alaska and Prudhoe Bay. As you are going down through Central America and facing South America, you will have a lovely design that will protect the bike from scratches. And if one day you decide to take the stickers off the bike, it will not have any problem. It will not give you a single problem in how to take it out. Plus, it will protect the painting for future decisions in case that you change your bike and the bike will be with a lovely shine as when you put it on, because the bike has been protected all the time. Any questions or doubts, don't hesitate to contact us at BMWworldstickers.com. Thank you for visiting. Safe rides!